Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can directly upload your edited video from CapCut into a TikTok account. So in here, I've already finished my edits, and let's just start by clicking on the export in here. Click on the arrow up at the top. Now wait just until the exporting process is finished. Okay, so after it's finished, now it's ready to share. And to directly upload it to your TikTok account, you can just click on this share to TikTok button. Let's click it. So after this, you'll be directed to the TikTok apps, and this will be the preview of the video. Now you can just click on next, then fill in or write the caption. If you want to, you can add also a CapCut hashtag like this, and after that just click on post. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.